Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best camera for blogging? When people ask us about our travel photography gear, we give this advice. First, we recommend you define your blogging needs because there isn't one good camera for all types of bloggers. Determine what type of photos or videos you need for your blogging or vlogging. Second, now that you know the specific images or videos you will use on your blog, use the information in this guide to find the best camera to meet your blogging goals. You'll want to review the features and benefits, pros and cons, and specifications. Here's our list of 10 awesome cameras for bloggers according to various blogging and vlogging needs that are available on the market today. Before you continue, please click on that subscribe button below. Number 10 is FUJIFILM X-T20. The FUJIFILM X-T20 is the best camera for travel photography. This mirrorless camera features a compact and lightweight design. This camera captures sharp and colorful images that don't blur around the edges like other cameras that fall within a similar budget. FUJIFILM X-T20 unique features and benefits. Apart from its compact and lightweight design, X-T20 comes with some unique features that will make your travel photography a thrilling experience. Auto mode. This camera features an auto mode switch lever that helps you automatically set it to the optimum shooting settings. If you want to get premium quality snapshots without any manual customizations, then this is the camera for you. If you travel a lot and want to take high quality blogging photographs in different settings, the FUJIFILM X-T20 is the best camera for you. The autofocus makes it the best mirrorless camera for travel photography at a reasonable price. Number 9 is Canon EOS Rebel T6. Canon EOS Rebel T6 packs premium quality DSLR features in a budget price tag. This entry-level camera has easy-to-use control manuals that make it the perfect camera for vlogging. Canon EOS Rebel T6 unique features and benefits. Outside the US, Canon EOS Rebel T6 is known as 1300D and the KISS X80 in Japan. The names might have come from its unique features and customizations. Easy to use. Set the camera to shooting mode and start taking photos. Due to Canon's superior color rendition, you are assured of premium quality images. Free customized shoots mode. A fun feature is the food mode that lets you take pictures of what you eat as you travel around the world. Quick control menu. The menu is large and easy to read, even when shooting on a sunny day. Number 8 is Canon EOS 70D. The Canon EOS 70D still stands as the best YouTube vlogging camera. It might have been superseded by the Canon EOS 80D, but it still carries everything that you need in a video vlogging camera. It has been labeled as Canon's enthusiast-focused DSLR due to its amazing features and comfortable feel. Canon EOS 70D Video Creator Kit features and benefits. You can choose to purchase only the body of the Canon EOS 70D DSLR camera. However, you will miss the advantages that accrue from getting the Video Creator Kit. The kit is complete with Rode VideoMic Go microphone, 8 135mm lens, and 32GB SD card. Number 7 is Sony Alpha A7 III. The Sony Alpha A7 III is among the best mirrorless cameras for professionals on the market. It combines efficiency and high image processing power to give you an all-rounded vlogging camera with impressive shooting speeds. Sony Alpha A7 III features and benefits. The Alpha A7 III combines its great build quality and amazing features to offer you a magnificent camera. Its body is made out of magnesium alloy and is dust and moisture sealed. There is nothing as disappointing as having a great camera with poor battery life. Sony understands this, and that is why it has incorporated a high-capacity NP-FZ100 rechargeable battery in the Alpha A7 III. Its capacity is 2.2 times of what you would get in the NP-FW50W series battery. Number 6 is the Akaso Action Camera. Imagine a 4K video action camera that packs tons and tons of amazing features and accessories and only goes for less than $100. Well, that is the Akaso Action Camera for you. Akaso Action Camera features and benefits. Ergonomic. Akaso gives you most of the GoPro Hero 6 features at 1/5 of its price. It combines a compact design and easy-to-use controls. The remote control works well, while the free phone app enhances the amazing experience of using this camera. The Akaso Action Camera comes complete with its own waterproof case, two 1050 mAh rechargeable batteries, 2.4 gig remote control, 7 mounts, bicycle stand, 2 helmet mounts, 2 clips, 5 tethers, bandages, USB cable, protective back door, and lens cloth. This kit is all that you need for extreme sporting on the road, under the sea, and in the woods. If you love outdoor experiences like hiking, biking, diving, and skating, you will enjoy this Akaso Action and Underwater camera. Number 5 is Panasonic LUMIX DMC FZ80. Not all bloggers are into video blogging. If you are among the few that only want a sturdy point-and-shoot blogging camera, the Panasonic LUMIX DMC FZ80 gives you just that. You will get high-quality photos at a budget price. The DMC FZ80 is an upgrade from its predecessor Panasonic LUMIX DMC FZ70. It has now been equipped with a better EVF, Wi-Fi connectivity, 4K video capture, and an LCD touchscreen. It comes travel-ready with a USB for camera battery charging. With this bright point-and-shoot camera, you won't even need a manual to start taking high-quality blogging snapshots. We would recommend this camera to any non-techie bloggers who want to take images of food, streets, cars, family, and friends. It also works with Panasonic Image app for photo sharing with iOS and Android devices. The Panasonic LUMIX DC FZ80 provides excellent zoom coverage in 4K photo and video features at an affordable price. This is the best ready-to-use point-and-shoot camera for travel blogging at a reasonable price. Number 4 is Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark II. If you don't need a lot of frills in your blogging camera, the Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark II is an excellent bargain. It takes high-quality video and images and is small enough to fit in a backpack or purse. POWERSHOT G7X Mark II comes with a premium set of specifications and a body that can awesomely fit in your pocket. The compact body makes it a nice blogging camera with a tilting screen that lets you record full HD videos, which includes selfie mode. The POWERSHOT G7X Mark II is what we recommend as the best camera for lifestyle blogging. If you need to capture amazing images but don't really need them to be professional quality, this is the camera for you. Number 3 is SONY Alpha A6000. The SONY Alpha A6000 mirrorless camera combines portability and quality. It has a unique shape and lightweight design. The camera offers full HD AVCHD version 2.0 and MP4 video recording at 1080 60p and 24p. The images are high quality and look really professional. The Bion Z X processor gives this camera an incredible processing power. You will notice that it starts and shoots in high-speed burst mode. Sony has designed the Alpha A6000 in such a way that the aperture and shutter controls are on its shoulder just behind the selection wheel and shutter dial. Further, they made a clever move by placing the movie record button on the molded rubberized grip where the thumb naturally rests. It is easy to access but hard to press it accidentally. If you are a blogger who wants all the features of a DSLR camera without the bulkiness, the Sony Alpha A6000 gives you just that. This is the best compact camera for blogging, especially for those who are not tech savvy. Number 2 is FUJIFILM X-A5 mirrorless digital camera. The FUJIFILM X-A5 camera is all about sleekness. Both the design and photos it takes are superb. The X-A5 is a little bit heavier than other mirrorless cameras, but it's not as bulky as a DSLR. Most of the Fujifilm X-A5 users agree that this is the best blogging camera for landscape photography. Its awesome build quality, beautiful design, and DSLR-like functions complement the high-quality photos and videos that it takes. Its body features an aluminum style with leather accents. Apart from all the controls and features that you would have gotten in a DSLR camera, you also get a swivel screen. It lets you take photos and videos from different angles. You can even flip it around for a selfie shot. This is the only blogging camera with a flip screen in this guide. Number 1 is GoPro Hero 8 Black. It's so tiny. This camera can fit anywhere. Has a very wide lens. If you're shooting yourself, it would be hard not to be in the frame. Plus, you'll be in focus. Shoots 4K video, hyper smooth 2.0 stabilization, very smooth stabilization even if you're running down a hill. Perfect to use in rugged conditions or anywhere you can't bring a normal camera to, like if you're underwater or skiing down a mountain. Comes with plenty of accessories depending on how you want to take photos or video. You can find accessories for that. Have a microphone input to connect to an external microphone, but you need to build a setup for that, which you can find here. Tiny camera sensor. Details in your backgrounds won't be as sharp. Can't zoom and no tilt screen. It's a sports and adventure camera. There's really no need for the purpose it was made for. Not the option to shoot everyday life, but if being outdoorsy and adventurous is your everyday life, then get this camera instead. That's it for this video, fans. Please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment as to what was your favorite item.